Hello everyone and welcome in today's lesson, and today we are going to look at using many. So many is an English word which is mostly used in many sentences. So many mu Luganda kiyinza okuba bingi, ebintu nga bingi oba abantu nga bangi, bingi oba bangi. So many in English, in Luganda, it can be bingi oba bangi. Okay, what is many? Many means a lot of something. Many means a lot of something. This implies that this word many, it means a lot of something which is in plenty. Something which is in plenty, implying that there are very many items. Okay, so many kitegeeza ebintu nga bingi oba bangi oba ebintu biri mu bungi. Once again, kitegeeza ebintu nga ebintu, it means items or objects. So kitegeeza ebintu nga bingi oba bangi abantu oba ebintu nga biri mu bungi bwakyo. So many, it means ebintu nga bingi, bangi oba mu bungi in Luganda. Okay, a point to note is that many is used on countable nouns. Many is used on countable nouns. And remember, we looked at countable nouns. Countable nouns, these are nouns can be counted from 1, 2, and many more. So many is used on countable nouns. For example, pens. This is plural. Pens. Books. Cups. Once again, many is used on countable nouns. Remember, we looked at countable nouns. So if you want to have a look at countable nouns, we wrote a video above. For example, pens, books, cups. And here you can note these are in plural. Ekozesebwa ku bintu ebibalwa. Once again, ekozesebwa ku bintu ebibalwa. So mu bungi oba bangi oba bingi tugikozesa ku bintu ebibalwa, as we are going to see in examples. Okugeza ebikopo, ebitabo, and many more. So many tugikozesa ku bintu ebibalwa. For example, ezo peni bbiri, ebyo bitabo bisatu, ebyo bikopo bina. Those are what we call countable nouns. Whereas uncountable nouns, for example, water, you cannot count water. For example, sugar, those are just measures, so those are uncountable. But these many, we use it on countable nouns. Should note that ebintu ebibalwa. Okay, the noun following many must be in plural form, as we've seen here. So the noun following, remember we said a noun is the name of anything. So the noun following many must be in plural form. Okay, erinnya ly'ekintu lirina kuba mu bungi, implying that after writing many, the item must be in its plural form, as we've seen. Ekintu ky'ogenda okwogerako kirina kuba mu bungi bwakyo, nga bwe tugenda okulaba mu examples. Once again, the noun following many must be in plural form. Erinnya ly'ekintu lirina kuba mu bungi bwakyo, si mu kimu naye mu bungi. For example, ebitabo, ebikopo, ekkalaamu, nga we tulabye waggulu. Okay, using many in asking questions. So how do we use many when we're asking questions? Remember, a point to note here, many can be used in forming sentences and asking questions. Of course, we can form both positive and negative sentences, as we saw in sentence construction. So here we are going to look at using many in asking questions. Okulaba etukozesaamu bingi oba bangi nga tubuuzaamu ebibuuzo. Okay, example 1. How many students are in class? This is a question. How many students are in class? And here you can note this noun of students, it's in plural. You cannot say how many students are. Remember, we said the noun following many must be in plural form. So student must be in students form because plural. Student will change to students because we've used many, mubungi. So how many students are in class? Once again, how many students are in class? Because many, the noun following it. So this is the noun, students is the noun. It must be in plural form. That's why here we say students. How many students are in class? Hope you've noted that. Bayizi bameka abali mu kibiina. So when we're asking questions, many changes to bameka in Luganda or bimeka, depending on. So if there are people, you say bameka. If they are object, you say bimeka. B-I-M-E-K-A, bimeka. So, but since we are talking about people or individuals, we're going to say bayizi bameka abali mu kibiina. Once again, bayizi, students, bayizi bameka abali mu kibiina. How many students are in class? So the noun following many must be in plural form. How many students are in class? Bayizi bameka abali mu kibiina. Okay, let's have the next example. Example 2. How many friends do you have? Once again, how many friends do you have? Simple question. Friends, remember, it is following after many. So friends is going to be in plural. How many friends do you have? Abemikwano, friends. Abemikwano bameka, because they are individuals. Abemikwano bameka gwe bolina. Once again, abemikwano bameka gwe bolina. Abemikwano bameka gwe bolina. In summary, how it is used. Usage. Enkozesa. So when you're asking how many plus pronouns, like in this example, how many, this is the noun and it is plural form. How many friends? So when you're using many in asking question, you say how many followed by a noun in its plural form. And more words plus a question mark since it is a question. So how many friends do you have? Abemikwano bameka gwe bolina. This is how many is used in asking questions. A point to note, many in Luganda can be bingi, banji, as we're going to see in further videos. But today we've looked at how to use many in asking questions. So we shall look at how to use many when you're constructing both positive and negative sentences. So mu video eddako tugenda kulaba engeri tukozesaamu bingi oba bangi nga tufominga emboozi mu butuufu bwazo oba ne mu kuziwakanya. Okay, mweraba musiibe bulungi.